Hi love, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your elastic band to your wigs to make it more secure. I had a different way of adding elastic bands to my wig. I would place it somewhere a bit higher, that is probably behind my ears, but this new method is pretty different. It's going to be lower than that. So the first thing I did was I'm just cutting out the excess lace underneath the closure area. I had filmed a tutorial, a YouTube live video on how I made this wig. So check my live videos to watch the live video of how I made this wig right here. So after cutting out the excess wig cap inside of the wig, that's the elastic band I want to sew down. And you notice that I'm just going to place this elastic band on the lower parts of that wig. So I'm just starting by just securing it on the right side of the wig right here, and I'm using my needle and thread to do it. If you have a sewing machine, please use your sewing machine to just sew that flap down. And after you're done sewing it down securely, make sure you sew on the side. You sew down the line and also sew just a little bit on the side, just to ensure that the elastic band doesn't loosen. So now this is the length of the band which I'm using. It's about 9 inch, and I want to extend it to the point whereby it gets to about 11 inch. But that's where I'm going to place it. So I'm stretching it by 2 inches. Then what I'm going to do is just cut out that excess thread that was losing away from the elastic band, and then use my needle and thread to sew the elastic band onto the wig cap. So I'm going to take my time and sew it down securely to make sure that it's really tight and firm and it doesn't loosen. It's very firm and secure. I'm just using my T-pin now to serve as extra support, and then I'm going to use my needle and thread. After I've secured the T-pin, I've secured the elastic band with the T-pin, I'm going to use my needle and thread and just sew down that elastic band to the wig cap. So it's really well, so it's neat, it's tight, it's firm, it's secure, it's safe. Yes, so I'm just taking my time now to just sew down the elastic band to the wig cap. If you're watching this video and you got value from it, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and share this video with a friend who is going to get value out of it. Take note, that's to tell you that you do not need an elastic band longer than 9 inch. You could even go with something even shorter than 9 inch. Just make sure that you extend it by 3 inches. Add 3 inches to the length of the elastic band you're using, depending on how stretchy it is, and sew it down towards the back part of your wig. That is going to just help the elastic band hold on to the back of your head, to ensure that the wig is more comfortable, it's more secure on your head when you wear it. You can see the elastic band right there. It just kind of falls down, but there's still space between where the elastic band falls and where the wig cap meets it. There's a little bit of space in between. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Please check out my older videos. Bye love.